You ever feel like no matter how many finance videos you watch, no matter how many tips you try, nothing really changes? You try to save more. You try to spend less. You try to be better with money. But somehow, you keep ending up in the same place. Same stress, same habits, same financial situation. And at some point you start thinking, maybe I just need more money. But what if that's not it? What if the real problem is how? You think about money? If that sounds like you, that's literally most people. I spend way too much time thinking about the 4 money mindset shifts that instantly change your financial future. Look, most people try to change their finances without changing their mindset. And that's like trying to change your results without changing your behavior. It doesn't work. So today, I'm going to break down 4 powerful mindset shifts that can completely change how you approach money and your entire financial future. Mindset shift number 1. Stop asking, can I afford it? Start asking, is this worth it? Here's the thing. Most people make financial decisions based on one question. Can I afford this? And that's the wrong question. Why? Because afford is based on your current situation. But wealth is built by thinking about your future situation. Example, let's say you have $5,000 in your account. You want to buy a $1,000 phone. Technically, you can afford it. But here's what most people don't realize. That $1,000 has an opportunity cost. If you invested that $1,000 at 8% annually for 30 years, it becomes about $10,000. So the real question is this phone worth $10,000 in the future? This is where it gets really interesting. When you start thinking this way, your decisions change instantly. It's like trading your future self's money for your present self's comfort. And most people make that trade without even realizing it. Mindset shift number 2. Focus on percentage, not dollar amount. Here's what most people don't realize. It's not about how much you make. It's about how much you keep. Example, person A makes $3,000 per month, saves $300, 10%. Person B makes $10,000 per month, saves $500, 5%. Who's better off? Most people will say person B, but they're wrong. Let's say both invest at 8% for 30 years. Person A, $300 per month, $450, 000. Person B, $500 per month, $750, 000. Okay, person B still wins. But here's the key insight. Person B should be far ahead, but they're not optimizing their income. Now imagine person B saved 20%, $2,000 per month, over $3 million. Same income, different mindset. When you focus on percentages, you build consistency. And consistency is what creates wealth. Mindset shift number 3. Stop trying to save money. Start trying to build systems. Look, saving money is important, but relying on willpower, that's where most people fail. Now, you might be thinking, I just need more discipline. No, you need fewer decisions because they remove friction. They remove emotion. They remove excuses. Example, let's say you decide to invest $500 per month. Option 1, you manually transfer it every month. Option 2, it's automated. Which one is more likely to happen consistently? Exactly. The math, $500 per month at 8% over 30 years equals $750,000 plus. That's not from motivation. That's from a system. Think of it like brushing your teeth. You don't rely on motivation. It's just automatic. That's how your finances should be. Mindset shift number 4. Stop chasing more. Start maximizing what you have. This is the one that changes everything. Because most people are constantly chasing more income, more success, more everything, and they ignore what they already have. Here's the truth. More money doesn't fix bad money habits. It amplifies them. Example, let's say you earn $4,000 per month and you spend $3,800. You save $200. Now you increase your income to $8,000. What happens? If nothing changes, you'll spend $7,600, still saving $400. Same pattern. This is where it gets really interesting. Wealth isn't about earning more. It's about controlling the gap between income and expenses. Look, most people don't have a money problem. They have a thinking problem. They react instead of plan, spend instead of invest, chase comfort instead of growth. And until that changes, nothing else will. Let's connect everything. These 4 mindset shifts: value over affordability, percentage over amount, systems over discipline, maximization over chasing. They all lead to one thing: intentional living. Let's say 2 people earn $5,000 per month. Person A spends based on feelings, saves what's left, no systems. Person B saves 20% automatically, $1,000, invests consistently, questions every major purchase. After 30 years, Person B builds $1 million plus in investments. Person A still struggling. Same income, different mindset. Now, you might be thinking, this sounds great, but it's hard to change. You're right, it is. But here's the key. You don't need to change everything. Just one thing. Let's keep this simple. Step 1, change one question. Stop asking, can I afford this? Start asking, is this worth my future? Step 2, set a percentage rule. Decide, I will save/invest 20% of my income. No negotiation. Step 3, automate everything. Savings, investing. Make it happen without thinking. Step 4, track one metric. Not everything, just one, your net worth. Because what gets measured improves. Look, money isn't complicated, but behavior is. And that's where most people get stuck. Here's what most people don't realize. You don't build wealth by doing more. You build wealth by thinking differently. Because once your mindset shifts, your actions follow. And once your actions change, your entire financial future changes with it. So here's what I want you to do. Pick one of these mindset shifts, just one, and apply it this week. Not tomorrow, not someday, this week. Drop a comment and tell me which one you're choosing. And if this video helped you see money differently, make sure to hit subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.